Hey, welcome once again to another exciting episode of Fishing in Southwestern Ontario. Today we're going to be doing a little video on how to fish for walleye on the Thames River. I know a lot of you guys are very much more experienced than I am, but I also have a lot of viewers that have been asking me to do this video to show, you know, more or less what I use, what gear and that sort of thing. So let's begin. First off, you want to start with a rod that's medium light. Don't go any heavier than that. So that's that. Line, as far as line goes, you know, you can use 6 to 8 pound mono or fluoro. If you're going to use a braid, go with like 10 pound and then put a leader on it. Definitely want a leader with the amount of rocks in the river. I think this is a 10 pound line just because I didn't want to re-spool this rod here. Now then, let's talk hardware. So the go-to on the Thames River is going to be a jig head and a plastic. So my favorite is 1/4 ounce, but depending on the water conditions, I might go down to as low as 1/8 of an ounce. And then as far as plastic goes, you can use anything from a curly tail to a swim bait to pretty much whatever you want. Colors, more popular ones are probably going to be white and chartreuse, but like literally just try it out. Sometimes the fish are biting this, sometimes they're biting something else. And then also you can go with you know, crankbaits, jerkbaits, lipless crankbaits. First, I really strongly suggest that you first try to get to know the water you're fishing. Otherwise, you're going to lose a bunch of them, especially in the Thames River. There's a lot of snagging points there. So all that said, let's get into the water and see if we can actually catch one. Fish on, fish on. Oh, he's a nice one too. Nice one. You know what? This thing's fighting too much. This might be a carp. Come on, seriously? You see? Oh, come on. Yeah. Okay, now I have one. It's a walleye. Walleye. Yeah. Come here, you. There we go. Look at that guy. There you go. Ooh, fish on, fish on. Walleye? Oh, shad. Well, looks like the shad have started moving in. There's one. Walleye. Walleye. Yep. Nice one. Yeah. Oh, I need a net. I saw it. It's pulling way too hard to be a log. Maybe it's a 20-pound walleye. That's a big one. Oh. Look what I'm fishing with. No hook. It broke. Alright, well, my rod's no good. I gotta go get another rod. But there you have it. First time out for walleye on the Thames River for this year.